Hi friends. I was in the market looking for a portable external SSD drive and I got Samsung Portable T5 SSD with 250 GB. In today's video, I'll be doing a quick unboxing and hands-on review on Samsung T5 Portable SSD. Come, let's get started. This is the Samsung T5 Portable SSD. For my unboxing and review, I have an 250 GB blue color device. The Samsung T5 Portable SSD is built well, super fast, and a great size for portability. In terms of design and size, the new Samsung Portable SSD T5 is identical to the T3. It is very small and weighs just slightly over 50 grams. The T5 features an all-aluminum chassis and comes in blue and black finishes. Available in 250 GB, 500 GB, 1 TB and 2 TB capacity. The smaller 250 GB and a 500 GB model comes in blue, while the larger 1 TB and 2 TB model comes in black. Talking about hardware, the portable SSD T5 uses Samsung's latest 64-layer TLC NAND. According to Samsung, the portable SSD T5 will support transfer speeds of up to 540 Mbps per second. Users will be happy to know that Samsung has thoughtfully provided two cables with the portable SSD T5, a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable and a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. This means the users will be able to use the portable SSD T5 with their devices even if it doesn't have a USB Type-C port. On performance, a transfer speed up to 540 Mbps per second, Samsung SSD T5 does a great job. On the software side, the Samsung T5 comes bundled with the Samsung Portable SSD security software. This allows users to enable security mode, which is basically a password protected feature for the T5 that enables 256-bit AES encryption. The Samsung T5 is a great all-rounder SSD for those looking to move or carry incredibly large amount of data. With a fast transfer rate and a 3-year warranty, the T5 shows that Samsung is at the top of its game. I would recommend T5 if you are looking in the market for a portable SSD with a faster transfer rate. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button if you like this video. And if you have any comments, please leave the comments in the comment section below. And also please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching iTech.